What if Toyota's most important SUV of the decade isn't designed to be the fastest, or the most powerful, or even the most expensive? What if it's designed to make every mile feel effortless? Because that's exactly the impression the 2027 Toyota Highlander leaves. At first glance, it looks elegant. Spend another minute with it, and you begin to realize this isn't just another family SUV trying to look premium. It's Toyota rethinking what modern luxury should actually feel like. Not louder, not flashier, just smarter, more comfortable, and surprisingly more human. Welcome back to Luxury Cars Analysis, where we look beyond the badge, beyond the marketing, and explore what a vehicle really brings to the road. And today's Highlander might be one of the biggest surprises we've seen from Toyota in years. The first thing that grabs your attention is its confidence. The proportions immediately feel different. A long, nearly horizontal hood flows into broad shoulders, while the upright roofline gives the SUV a commanding stance without making it appear bulky. It's substantial, elegant, and incredibly balanced. Instead of relying on oversized grilles and dramatic styling, Toyota has chosen something much cleaner. A slim illuminated light signature stretches across the front, connecting the narrow LED headlamps with illuminated Toyota lettering. It feels modern, almost futuristic, yet unmistakably Toyota. At each corner, vertical lighting elements frame the front fascia almost like architectural columns. It's a subtle detail, but one that gives the Highlander remarkable road presence, especially after sunset. Look closer and something else stands out. The traditional grille has almost disappeared. In its place sits a dark central panel with hidden active shutters, perfectly suited for either the plug-in hybrid or fully electric versions. It's clean, efficient, and proof that aerodynamic design can still be beautiful. Moving along the side, the body surfaces remain smooth and uncluttered. There are no unnecessary creases competing for attention. Everything feels intentional. Everything feels timeless. Around the back, a thin full-width LED light bar stretches across a glossy black panel carrying illuminated Toyota lettering. The tailgate is refreshingly clean, complemented by a discreet roof spoiler and a broad rear window that improves visibility without compromising style. It's the kind of design that won't look outdated 5 or even 10 years from now. And honestly, that's becoming surprisingly rare. Here's something I'd love to know. Do you prefer this clean, understated approach to luxury? Or do you like SUVs with huge grilles and aggressive styling? Leave your answer in the comments because this design philosophy is completely different from what many brands are doing today. But as impressive as the exterior is, the real story begins when you open the door. Immediately, you're greeted by an interior that feels more like a luxury lounge than a traditional SUV. The color combination alone makes a statement. Antique fuchsia, paired with anti-flash white, creates an atmosphere that's warm, sophisticated, and unlike anything we've become used to seeing. Instead of chasing flashy trends, Toyota has focused on craftsmanship. Quilted leather wraps the seats. Precision stitching highlights every surface. Metallic speaker grilles add subtle elegance, and slim ambient lighting quietly traces the cabin without overwhelming it. It feels luxurious, but never excessive. The dashboard follows the same philosophy. A wide digital display stretches naturally from the driver's instrument cluster into the central infotainment system, bringing navigation, media, and vehicle information together in one seamless experience. Yet Toyota hasn't abandoned practicality. The physical center console remains. A rotary controller is still there. Dedicated climate controls are exactly where you'd expect them to be. And that's something many drivers will genuinely appreciate. Because sometimes, the most advanced technology is the technology that doesn't force you to relearn everything. Behind the scenes, artificial intelligence quietly manages the experience. It learns your daily routine, prepares the cabin before you leave home, adjusts seat support based on your driving habits, and creates an environment that feels personalized rather than programmed. Technology here isn't trying to impress you, it's trying to understand you. Now let's talk about what could easily become the Highlander's biggest selling point: the rear cabin. Because this doesn't feel like a second row anymore. It feels like a first-class lounge. Two deeply cushioned captain's chairs welcome passengers with broad armrests and beautifully quilted upholstery. Individual entertainment displays sit within easy reach. A large center console separates both seats, adding storage and premium functionality. Decorative pillows reinforce the lounge-like atmosphere, while ventilation, massage functions, power leg rests, and reclining backrests make long journeys genuinely relaxing. Access to the third row has also been carefully considered. Tall door openings and powered sliding seats create an effortless path to the back, making the Highlander practical for real families, instead of simply looking luxurious in photographs. Above everyone sits a spacious cabin filled with natural light and thoughtful details that reduce fatigue, rather than create distraction. And that's an important difference. Luxury isn't just about expensive materials anymore. It's about how refreshed you feel after spending hours inside the vehicle. Let me ask you this. If you owned this Highlander, would you rather be behind the steering wheel or relaxing in those executive captain's chairs? I have a feeling the comments are going to be divided on this one. Performance follows exactly the same philosophy. Toyota isn't chasing outrageous acceleration figures. Instead, it's chasing effortless confidence. The plug-in hybrid model allows quiet electric commuting during the week, while maintaining the flexibility needed for long road trips. For buyers ready to embrace full electrification, a fully electric version offers silent performance, along with the convenience of home charging. Both variants feature all-wheel drive. The hybrid relies on a refined mechanical system, while the electric model uses dual motors for intelligent power distribution. The emphasis isn't explosive launches, it's effortless reserve, power that's always available, but never demanding attention. Ride quality may be where this concept truly separates itself. Adaptive air suspension constantly adjusts for speed, rough pavement, and changing weather conditions. Predictive dampers actually prepare for bumps before the tires reach them, helping the cabin remain remarkably composed. Rear-wheel steering reduces the turning circle in city driving, while improving high-speed stability on the highway. Combine that with acoustic glass and active noise cancellation, and the result is an SUV that feels astonishingly quiet, almost limousine-like. Safety receives the same thoughtful treatment. A sophisticated network of cameras, radar, ultrasonic sensors, and driver monitoring systems continuously watches the road and the driver. Highway assistance can help manage steering, speed, and following distance during long journeys. Blind spot monitoring, cross-traffic alerts, door opening warnings for approaching cyclists, automated parking, even remote parking support. Every feature exists for one reason: to make driving less stressful, not more complicated. And perhaps that's what makes the 2027 Toyota Highlander so compelling. It doesn't try to overwhelm you with technology. It quietly uses technology to improve everyday life. It blends American-sized practicality with Japanese craftsmanship and modern intelligence. It isn't trying to be the loudest SUV in the luxury segment. It's trying to be the one you never want to step out of. And honestly, that might be the smarter goal. One final question before we finish. If this Highlander reached production exactly as you see it today, would you choose it over the Lexus TX, BMW X7, Mercedes-Benz GLS, or even the Range Rover? Tell me your pick in the comments, because this concept could completely change how people think about premium family SUVs. If you enjoyed today's review, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Luxury Cars Analysis, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next deep dive into the world's most exciting luxury vehicles. Because sometimes, the future of luxury isn't about adding more features. It's about making every journey feel calmer, quieter, and effortlessly better.